We love the look of vintage bellows cameras, and we created a DIY wooden camera kit that anyone can build. The kit includes everything necessary for assembly, and no glue is required to build your own vintage instant film pinhole camera. It comes with an assembled Instax film developer, a Fresnel lens viewfinder, rubber-powered locks, and even a moving exposure calculator. Choose between a painted or plain wood option that can easily be colored with markers or paint. The assembly process is captivating and entertaining. In under 2 hours, you'll have a functional pinhole camera built with your own hands. The camera takes readily available Fujifilm Instax mini film. Setting the photo size is achieved by moving the front panel. Push down to open the shutter, up to close. Spin the manual crank to develop the photo. Voila! After finalizing the design, we mastered the preparation and protection of the materials. The manufacturing process is set up and fully ready for mass production. Now you can build a working camera that's beautiful on the shelf. Use it when traveling and when capturing your special moments. Enjoy!